So now I wanna go and unpack the headliner. The reason I got the new headliner is because in Georgia, if the airbags are deployed, the roof airbags are deployed for a reason for safety, I guess, but it doesn't make sense anyway for me. They just make you do like replace a new airbag, a new headliner I mean, which is too bad because it's expensive. This one was like $1,400. I barely got it like with a discount, $1,200. So I got the microphone. I'm going to replace the microphone. A little hard because I don't want to damage the sides to do the same thing like the airbags. Here this is the reason for why they put you to replace the airbag. But this the headliner, but this headliner is like, it wasn't damaged. You can see here just like a little crack, yeah, like this. They say it's for like, it has to have some resistance when they deploy, but in my opinion it shouldn't be replaced. So, but that's just my humble opinion. Got the headliner in, man. Hard job, to be honest. Hard job. Maybe if you do it like often, it's easy, but brand new like the other one. But this brand new. inside, like the trims, the headliner. It looks nice. The trim, I just want to clean a little bit under the seat. Just vacuum the debris. Underneath this is good, but I just want to go underneath the seats since they are off right now, and after that install the seats, everything, and the interior should be ready. Okay, so now the next thing is I'm gonna bring the center console and install it. So I got everything, the seats, the trims, every little piece. Now I just have to put the door, but I have to put everything from the old door to this new one. So I plugged the airbag crash sensor. I just want to see how it's gonna be reset it, everything. So everything is plugged in. I don't have another heavy hardware like electronics in that door plugged in, but I hope only with the crash sensor is gonna go. Let's see. Man, everything is off.
This vehicle is connected by OnStar to limited services.
Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Lord. Yeah, like brand new. For me, it's like brand new. Other people, if they have salvage cars, they are like, they don't like it, which I understand too, because what's new is new, but this is an obsession. Look, not a single light, not a single light.